Hello, English learners. Today we're diving into a fascinating and commonly used idiom, on thin ice. It's a phrase you hear often in conversations, movies, or books, but you might not fully grasp its true meaning or how to use it correctly yet. Imagine you're chatting with friends, and someone suddenly says, "You're on thin ice" with that comment. You might think to yourself, are we talking about actual ice? Should I grab my skates right now? This kind of confusion is totally normal for beginners. But this idiom isn't about literal ice at all. It means you're in a risky or precarious situation where one small mistake could cause serious trouble or consequences. Think of it as being in a very delicate and fragile position that could break at any moment. The origin of this idiom comes from the real-life danger of ice skating or walking on thin ice that might suddenly crack and break, sending you falling into freezing cold water below. It perfectly captures that tense feeling of being so close to trouble or disaster. Let's see it in action with a real-world example. An employee named John, who has been consistently late to work multiple times, is finally called into their boss's office. The boss warns him seriously, "John, you're on thin ice regarding your punctuality." This warning means John is now in a highly risky situation. If he's late just one more time, he might face serious consequences, such as a formal warning, demotion, or even losing his job entirely. One more mistake could lead to big trouble indeed. Here are some practical examples to help you understand better. First, he's on thin ice after missing several important deadlines. This implies his job is at serious risk, and he needs to shape up quickly to avoid getting fired. Second example, you're on thin ice with your parents if you keep breaking curfew every night. This suggests they might ground you for a long time or take away privileges as punishment. Third, the politician is on thin ice after that major scandal involving corruption. This means his entire political career is now in jeopardy and could end abruptly. Fourth, their relationship is on thin ice after their big heated argument last week. This indicates their relationship is very fragile and might break up with just one more issue. To help you remember this idiom forever, visualize someone ice skating gracefully but nervously on cracking ice. One wrong step, and they're plunging into the icy cold water below. That's exactly the feeling of being on thin ice. Did you know this phrase dates all the way back to the 17th century in English literature, reflecting the real dangers people faced during winter travel on frozen lakes and rivers? It also highlights important cultural values like caution, heeding warnings, and avoiding unnecessary risks. You'll find on thin ice used in many famous movies and books, especially in sports films or dramas about high-stakes competitions to describe tense moments. Over time, its meaning has evolved to cover any risky scenario in modern life, from work to personal relationships. Let's look at some related sayings that convey similar ideas. Phrases like walking a tightrope, skating on thin ice, and treading carefully all imply you need extreme caution because you're in a dangerous or delicate situation. On the opposite side, phrases like safe as houses or out of the woods mean you are completely secure, stable, and free from any danger or worry whatsoever. Other related idioms, such as playing with fire, also warn about engaging in risky behavior that could backfire, but on thin ice specifically emphasizes the precariousness and fragility of your current position right now. One common mistake is using the wrong preposition, like saying in thin ice instead of the correct on thin ice. Always remember to use on, as it refers to being positioned on top of something unstable. Another frequent error is misunderstanding the context entirely, thinking it's about literal ice skating or cold weather. Remember, it's always used figuratively to describe a risky or dangerous situation in life, work, or relationships. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. What does on thin ice really mean? A. Feeling cold from the weather. B. Skating well on the ice. C. Being in a risky situation where trouble is near. The correct answer is C. In a risky situation. Great job if you got that right. You're already getting better at idioms. If not, no worries. Practice makes perfect. So, to recap, on thin ice means you're in a precarious spot where one wrong move could lead to serious trouble. Mastering idioms like this will greatly improve your English communication skills and make you sound more like a native speaker. Now it's your turn. Share your own experiences or examples of being on thin ice in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's lesson on this useful idiom, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.